Hey everybody, hey, it's Lee Godbold with Junk Removal Authority, where we help junk removal business owners make more money and live a better life. Happy to be talking with Idan Kadosh from Workiz today. Workiz has been a tool that we've been using for about 5 years or so now. We use it on a daily basis, both to dispatch jobs out to our clients. We also are constantly looking at the reports to figure out the health of our junk removal company. So at any given point, I take my cell phone right here, I pull it up, I open up Workiz, and I can tell, hey, how is our company doing at any given point, no matter the time of day or whatever. We've got our metrics we track. We know where our crews are. We can tell how well our crews are doing. It's just a tool we use every single day. So we've got Idan Kadosh here. He's going to be going over the best ways to optimize your Workiz account for your junk removal company. Idan, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Always a pleasure, to talk to your, customers, junk removals. It is an exciting business vertical for us that we're seeing a lot more of. So, at any chance to engage and help businesses get that additional growth, is exciting for us.